what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here at Broward County, Florida, DMV with the student. We're about to do the driving test in about an hour. So we're running through the practice. We've been practicing for like an hour, right? So we still have another 45 minutes to practice, but she's doing well enough where I feel like we could do the video. So I'm gonna run through it real quick. Say hi to the camera, madam. Yeah. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
Okay, what else do you do?
Put the vehicle in park and put the brakes up and then turn the engine off.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the horn is working, the turn signal lights are working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. Alright, so now the examiners are in the car. The examiner will get into the car and basically tell you to reverse from here and go to the left. So go ahead and do that for me. Reverse. Back straight out until the mirror gets to the end of the line. You're looking both ways here. Look both ways. Look over there. Look over there. Back up a little bit more. And then turn the wheel all the way left. Look behind. Keep going back. Alright, stop. Remember, they don't want you using the mirror now. You gotta look back.
Yeah.
Put it in drive. Alright, so we're gonna go all the way down to the end. And we're going to make a left on the end of this place. I'll show you what it looks like. This gimbal has been doing some craziness. Alright, so we're going to make a left here. So you stop and look to the right and left before you move out. Make sure it's clear. Stop completely. Okay, go straight out here and then make a left and then make an immediate left. Make a left here again. Yeah, and just like you're doing, make sure you signal. Because if you don't signal, you're losing 4 points for each one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You don't want to lose no points, so you want to make sure you signal. Alright, so we're going to park in between these cones. So you stay close to the right side just like you're doing. Yeah. And we're going to line up the mirror with the cone. The first pole over here. Yep. Signal left, turn all the way left. And you're going to roll into the space. And go slow. Alright, stop about here. Straighten the wheel. 1, 2, and then just pull straight in. Alright, stop. Alright, reverse. We're gonna go to the right, so reverse straight out. When your mirror is past the end of past the poles, then you're going to the right, so you're turning the wheel all the way to the left. So look behind you. Remember, they don't want you using the mirror. Okay, about here, you're gonna turn all the way left. And continue looking behind as you reverse. Keep going. Alright, stop there. That's good. Put the car back in drive. All the way to the right. Alright, go all the way down to the end. Making a left turn at the end of this parking lot. So you signal left. Make sure you signal. Just remember, every time that they tell you to turn, it's negative 4 points if you don't signal. So you can see how that could add up.
Yeah.
You're allowed to get up to 30 negative points, but you want to try to get no negative points at all, right?
Yeah.
30 you'll still pass, 31 fails you. But ideally we want 0 points.
Yeah.
Go in the right lane, yeah? Okay, so they're gonna tell you to stop about here. And next thing they're gonna tell you to do, stop completely. Speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. That's called a quick stop. So go ahead, speed up. And stop. Alright, it's cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. So you look behind and just let it roll. Nice and easy, no gas, nothing. And stop about here. Okay, now you're gonna do the 3-point turn. Signal left. Put it in drive. All the way left. So you stop before you go into the parking space there. Put it in reverse and turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Just a little bit more, just a touch. Alright, that's good. Put it back in drive, signal left again, turn all the way left. Alright, so we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a right turn. So again, you signal right. And here you're gonna make sure you go up until your mirror is past the curb. Stop at the stop sign first though. Right? You don't stop, you stop and then come out here.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead, make a right. You make sure you stop behind the line and then creep out. Right, so we're making a right and then we're gonna make another right. So again, you're gonna go up until the mirror is past the curb before you turn. Turn all the way right. And we're gonna park on the left side in one of these spaces. So signal left. Again, you're gonna line up your mirror with one of the lines. Like that's good. Signal left, turn all the way left. Alright, that's good. Straighten the wheel. 1, 2. Go straight in. And stop. Cool. Perfect. Put it in park. So, what do you think you did? Good?
Yeah,
Good. Yeah, she did great. We're gonna continue practicing anyway, but yeah, she's already doing what she needs to do to pass the test. Okay, so since I didn't ask you guys in the beginning of the video to subscribe,
Yes.
tell the people to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe, like, comment, share.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, seriously, stop playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and make sure you guys go to the YouTube store and buy something. And now the channel have super thanks and whatever. Just, you know, support the channel. I mean, it takes money to build and run a channel, and I'm doing it just because I want to, and apparently it's helping a lot of people. So you guys help me out by supporting the channel. Buy something from the store, give me a super thanks, whatever. Just do something, anything. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.